Right guys, how's it going? I just got this in today. It's the Proporta USB Turbocharger 3400, and with this you can pretty much charge anything like your iPhone, iPods, Nokia phones, PSPs, a lot of things. Now you may have seen this before. This is just a higher model than the other models that you probably would have seen, and we're just going to do a quick unboxing and a quick review of this and see how well it does with the N900 and how many charges you could get out with that, and any other devices as well with that. So let's just something like that. Doesn't feel that heavy or nothing, but it's kind of a tricky to get that out. Oh, okay, that's that out. That is very light. I like the style of it, it's quite sleek, really smart. Okay, so I'll just put that aside and see what else there is. So lift that up and we have, what's this? A little pouch. I'm presuming this will be the cables and whatnot in here. So and an instruction manual. Multiple different type of connectors that you can use with this battery pack, which is pretty good, as they have thought of a lot of pretty much everything I could say. Old Nokia phones, all types of USB kind of charger, and this is the main one that actually goes into it, which is pretty cool. Just stretches and it's still stretching. Okay, so I would probably say that is about half a meter. I know I can't show you on the camera, but it's a bit awkward, but it is quite good how if you stretch it and make it, you just want to adjust it, you just kind of let go and kind of click it into place. If you have one of these, or if you do get one of these, then you know what I mean. It's self-explanatory once you kind of stretch the wire out. Pretty cool. So on the device itself we have one out and one for in. Okay, now to actually activate the device, simply press the button in the centre. That shows you the level of battery that is there, so that's 3 out of 5 lights that are on. I have been reading the instruction manual, which does say that it does come pre-charged about 50 to 75%, so I could still use it, or I could just charge it fully. Now I'm going to use one of the connectors to charge it, and all I need to do to charge it is basically plug it into a USB port, whether it's your Mac or whether it's your PC, either or. As long as it's a USB port on a computer, you can charge it up. So this going in there. Now the other end, that's the little cable that I was showing you earlier. It goes in there. Now I can just stretch that all the way to the USB port, and that's it charging. Now it's time to test it out and see how much juice I can get out of it and how well it does with the N900. It took up only 1 bar of light from the battery pack to charge the N900 up, so that is pretty good considering there's a total of 5 there. So if you're a heavy user, then I would say this is a great buy, really handy. The total time it took was about 2 hours and 20 minutes to charge it, but I think the time varies, as sometimes it's been a bit more quicker and sometimes it's been a bit longer. I mean, it would come in handy if you're going away for the weekend, going on those camping trips, or just wherever you are. If you're just travelling, it's very handy to have. So, plus you can also charge your Nintendo DS and your iPhone and PSP and whatnot. And the good thing about Proporta is that if you don't like it, then they'll take it back off you, no problem. I mean, they're not going to cause a big fuss about it. So if you don't like it, you can return it. Simple as. Again guys, if you've got any questions or if you want to comment, then please do so. And thank you for watching.